In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the API secret key in Mixpanel. To get started, open Mixpanel and make sure you're already signed in to the correct workspace or project. Once you're on the main dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon, which is where Mixpanel keeps your settings and configuration options. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the settings menu. After the settings area opens, look for the option called Project Settings and click on it. This section contains the main details and configuration for the specific Mixpanel project you're currently using, so it's important to confirm that you're in the right project before continuing. If you manage multiple projects, take an extra second here to verify that you're viewing the correct one, especially before copying or using any keys. Once you're inside Project Settings, stay on the Overview section if it doesn't open there automatically. This page gives you a summary of the project's core information. From here, scroll down through the page until you reach the area labeled Access Keys. Depending on your screen size or account layout, you may need to scroll a bit before it becomes visible, so just keep going until you find it. Under Access Keys, you'll be able to locate the API secret key. That's the key you were looking for. If you need to use it for a setup, integration, or internal configuration, make sure you handle it carefully and avoid sharing it publicly, since secret keys are meant to stay private. And that's it. The process is very straightforward. Open Mixpanel, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner, go to Project Settings, stay in the Overview area, scroll down to Access Keys, and there you'll find the API secret key. If the key doesn't appear, one possible reason is that your account permissions may be limited, so you may need the proper level of access within the project to view sensitive credentials. Also keep in mind that dashboards and menus can sometimes look slightly different depending on account type or product updates, but the general path is still the same. Now you know exactly where to find the API secret key in Mixpanel quickly and efficiently.